Looking for the best budget accessories for your GoPro Mission 1 Pro? In this video, we'll show you 5 affordable picks that can improve your shots, protect your gear, and give you more value for your money. Stay until the end, because there's an option for every budget and filming style. And as always, you'll find the latest links down in the description. Starting off this list at number 5, we have the Suptig Suction Cup Mount. If you enjoy recording road trips, track days, or any kind of driving footage, this accessory can make a huge difference. Its strong suction base attaches securely to windshields, windows, and other smooth surfaces, giving you stable hands-free shots without complicated setups. It's simple to position and adjust, making it great for capturing unique angles on the go. For the price, it's an easy way to unlock more creative filming possibilities. Coming in at number 4, we have this tempered glass screen protector set. It may not be the most exciting accessory, but it's one of the smartest investments you can make. It helps protect both the screens and the lens from scratches, dust, and everyday wear, keeping your footage looking sharp and your camera looking new. Installation is quick, and once it's on, you'll barely notice it. For such a low-cost upgrade, the extra peace of mind makes it well worth a spot in this ranking. If you're enjoying the video, subscribe. We post similar content every day. Taking the third spot, we have the SanDisk Extreme Pro microSD card bundle. It's the kind of accessory you don't fully appreciate until you start recording high-resolution footage and realize how quickly storage fills up. With fast read and write speeds, it helps your camera capture video smoothly while reducing the risk of dropped frames. The included adapter and card reader also make transferring files quick and convenient. For anyone who records regularly, this is a practical upgrade that keeps the entire workflow running smoothly. In second place, we have the HSU Magnetic Quick Release Mount. This is one of those accessories that seems simple until you start using it every day. Instead of wasting time screwing and unscrewing your camera between different mounts, the magnetic design lets you switch setups in seconds. It's especially useful for cycling, hiking, travel, or anyone constantly changing angles during a shoot. The secure locking system adds confidence while filming, and the convenience it brings easily earns it one of the top spots on this list. And taking the number 1 spot, we have the CMYK battery charging case. For many action camera users, battery life is the biggest limitation, and this accessory solves that problem in a practical way. It can charge multiple batteries at once while also storing them safely, making it perfect for travel, outdoor adventures, and long recording sessions. The built-in display lets you check charging status at a glance, so there's no guesswork involved. If you want fewer interruptions and more time capturing footage, this is easily the most useful accessory in the entire ranking.